Hello, I'm just going to follow up a previous video here. I've had problems with these columns, they're not coming in correct, but I just want to show you how to fix your levels, because you're going to come in at this level here, whatever Revit brings you in at, and obviously that's not going to be the correct level. So for one, what I'll do is I'm probably going to delete these levels. Well, I could probably I'll leave them for now. So what I'm going to do is you want to go into VG or VV and come down here and go to your site. And you can see my site is not turned on, so turn on your site, come down here and go to project base point, apply, OK. And here is my project base point. So this is the base point of the project. If I go back to advanced steel, I can see I want this first floor, which is where I believe it came in on this level, it seems. 74, 1 and 5/16. I'm not sure if it came in here or on this one. Let me have a look at an elevation, or yeah, let me have a look at the east elevation. So the east elevation is, it's level with the top beams. Okay, so on the B line, so let's go back to advanced steel. So go back to advanced steel on the B line. It's going to be 76, 2 and 13/16. 76, 2 and 13/16. So go back to Revit, click on this and put in minus 76 foot 2 and 13/16 and apply. And now if I scroll in, I can see this has come in. Now my units aren't set high enough, so let's go to manage project units and distance is in feet, so cancel length fractional inches to a 16th. Okay, and now that'll come in right, but this level is not going to be right, and these levels are not even in the right place. So what I might do is just delete that and delete this one. Doesn't want to delete that one. I guess it doesn't want to have no levels, so I guess I could have just dragged it over, right? So let me see. Let me go back up a little bit. Let me back it up a little bit. Alright, I backed it up too far. I've gone all the way back. So let's go forward again. Sorry. Alright, there's my... Alright, so now we should be good. My units. Let's go back and do the units. Okay, so we're good. So what I'm going to do instead is I'll just select this plane and let's get it over to where we need it instead of deleting it. Alright, so I'm happy enough with that there. And we should really have locked these together. So I'll just delete the top one and then go to the east elevation. And we can see here's my level symbol right now. I'm actually just going to turn on this other side of it also. So what I want to do is I'm gonna create similar and pick lines, and I've got 86 2 1/4. Not quite sure why it's come in over here, but anyway, what I could have done was copied it. Alright, so 86 2 1/4 to this next level. So let's go back to advanced steel and have a look. 86 2 1/4 is correct. If I go up to the next level, let's put in a level symbol here and we'll see what we have. 93 3 1/4. So let's go back again. 93 3 1/4. .93 3 1/4. So I'm going to copy this one from a point on this line. We can see, click on constraint, and we can see our connection is messed up here. Just another thing we got to fix. So 93 3 1/4, that has come in correct. So you can do the same again. Obviously copy seems to be the best option. Make sure the constraint is still on, and I can't see this beam in here, so I will not. Horizontal nearest, actually that might be the top of the beam. So let's see, copy from here. No, that's copying the level the other way. Okay, that's alright. There's 2 levels in there we don't want. Now just keep in mind that your next level, so this one was the first floor. Yes. And this is my second floor. And we'll call this the roof point, and then copy this one from here. Now if I go here and come back across, yeah, once I come over here, there's obviously a way to stop that from snapping that way, but what I can do is I can just copy one up. Let's just copy one up from here to here, and then another one to here, and then we'll call this one the attic, and we'll call this the ridge, and then we'll just go back to our advanced steel model. And then we can come up here and we can see This is 98, 10 and 7/8. 98, 10 and 7/8. So go back to REVIT. (98, 10 and 7/8). And that's going to be that attic beam. And then we're going to go back into the top. And we can see that the level of this beam is 111 and 7/8. So go back to REVIT. 111, 0 and 7/8. And there's your ridge. And now you've got your levels in. And now you've got your views. So let's go to structural plans. First floor, second floor. I don't need the analytical model. Level 3. Yeah, so I need to go back and create views for these. So first floor, second floor, roof. So it created a level 3, and I do not need that level 3. Delete level 3. And there's a setting I can't remember right now. I need to set up the views for these. So let me see. Select instances visible on view. Yeah, so there's somewhere along here we need to create. It doesn't really matter right now, but so when I copied them, it didn't copy a view. So if let me just see again if I do this. Copy. Level 10. Yeah, so it's not copying the view also. So I'm not getting structural plans. Properties. So somewhere in here there is view callout. Duplicate views. That's not it, obviously. There is plan views, floor plans, structural plans. So a new structural plan. I don't want one for there. I want one for there, there, there. Do not duplicate existing views. Okay. So now we have added our views. Obviously my second floor and my first floor is a problem because of the way I'll just put this in a second floor the other way. Alright, so that's cleaned it up a little bit. Obviously I'm no REVIT expert, but there you go, you're getting something. Now, obviously I want the roof below the attic. Can I move this? I don't think I can. Is there a way to put these in? No. Alright, we'll just leave it for now. So there you have your views. Your levels are correct. Obviously you might want to turn on this end of them also. That's up to you. And we have our grid lines here. So we'll probably copy the grid lines up through the floors also. If I go to the east elevation, okay. You know what, we'll just pull this up out the top. We'll pull it down the bottom. I like to turn them all on, not all the time, but some of the time. So there's probably a way to turn all these on at the same time too, I'm sure. I just don't know what it is. You can see it has grouped. These two are also grouped on their own. So we can also pull this one up to the other one. And okay, it's a little bit cleaner, and we can move this section view up a little bit, maybe like there. And then let's go back and have a look at the section, see if it's still good. These level arts, I want to delete these, so
I may already have ordered that bit. Because I way back whenever I was ordering them beans, I prioritized the beans over all the time to have them in reserve.
alright, so I'll clean it up like that. So that'll just give you an idea. I can delete these as well. Just give you an idea. So I'm probably going to do some more videos on the REVIT over and back. So I'm trying to learn how to do it. So figured I'll try and record it while I'm doing it. Obviously I have issues here which I need to deal with. I also have concrete issues. The features are not coming in. I seem to be missing a connection here. No, that's okay. Alright, so maybe that'll help some of you out if you want to work in REVIT. Alright, take care.